Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abu Omar, Muhammad Najjar, originally from Lebanon. I live in Canada, Ottawa. I came to Malaysia because my brother was here like 2 months ago. He came from Australia. He told me about the hujama he did here, and once he told me it's big different than the hujama I did before. I did many hujama in Canada, in Lebanon, in Istanbul, in Saudi Arabia, in Medina Munawwara. All the hujama I did was big different. It was completely the same name, but different way, different. Everything is different. So once he told me about the way he treat the patient and the way he did the hujama, I told him I had to take like 1 month from my job and come to Malaysia to do this kind of hujama. The first day I come here, it was the 5th. We finished just yesterday. 10 days, complete the program, full program, from A to Z. He did hujama all over of my body, from my head to my feet down there. Okay, I did many hujama in Canada with a professional, with doctors, not anybody, just like professional. Most of them, they don't know about this point. Like most of them, they know only 7 area in the body, which is the back, and they work on it. Most of them, or all of them, they told me you cannot do hujama more than 2 times a year or maximum 4 times a year. And the guy who was doing hujama for me, he told me I cannot give you hujama. At least you have to wait like 2 months if you're doing treatment. So also they're using different way of like the cutting with the plate. Here he used the needle, which is very little. You don't even feel it. I have a lot of, like, my body now is really different than 10 days ago. I feel fresh, the blood is fresh, all the bad blood comes out was completely black. You can see it, and you see the result with your body day after day. I feel like relaxed. Once you finish the hujama, you can feel the difference. I was concerned about the oxygen. Most of them, they told me it's very high pressure. So when I used the capsule for oxygen, I was eating in the capsule, I was drinking, I was listening to Quran. I didn't feel more than the pressure when you are traveling in the plane. So it's not something you cannot handle it. It's very easy. If you feel something like you wanna solve it, my advice to you to try hujama. Dr. Bashir has a full program, hujama, oxygen, and herbs. So it's complete. My advice, حب لأخيك ما تحب لنفسك. So like to your brother, like whatever you like to yourself. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.